Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use a barcode scanner with QuickBooks. First, connect your scanner to your computer, typically using a USB cable or Bluetooth. Next, open QuickBooks and confirm it's updated to the latest version for optimal performance. Finally, make sure each inventory item in your QuickBooks file has a unique barcode assigned. This setup ensures seamless integration and accurate tracking of your products. Once your scanner is set up, open a transaction window in QuickBooks, such as an invoice or sales receipt. Simply point your scanner at an item's barcode and press the trigger. QuickBooks will instantly add the item to your transaction, automatically filling in details like the product name, description, and current price. This significantly speeds up data entry and reduces manual errors, making your workflow much more efficient. Barcode scanners are invaluable for managing inventory. When new stock arrives, scan each item to quickly receive it into your system, ensuring accurate counts. You can also conduct physical inventory counts much faster by simply scanning items on your shelves. This real-time data entry helps maintain precise stock levels, reducing discrepancies and improving overall inventory accuracy by a significant margin. If you encounter issues, first check your scanner's drivers and QuickBooks settings to ensure proper configuration. Also, make sure your barcodes are clean and undamaged. Smudged or torn labels can prevent successful scans. For a smoother experience, consider using high-quality barcode labels. And hey, while you're optimizing your workflow, why not optimize your ride? Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice. Check the description for a link to this and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.